Import BullX Private Key to Phantom Wallet. How to import BullX Private Key to Phantom Wallet? It's simple and easy. Now make sure you are on your BullX account. Now from the sidebar, click on Wallet Manager. Now here, as you can see, you have the private key highlighted here on yellow. Now after you click on it, now you can check the acknowledge, and after that click on download. So you have just 24 hours to like copy the another private key. So after you copy it, now go to Phantom Wallet, now click on it from here, and now go and click on your profile icon. Now after that click on plus. Now after that click on import private key, and now select Solana here. Now give it a name like this, and now you can paste your private key. So after you paste your private key from BullX, now you import the BullX private key to Phantom Wallet. So this is how to import the BullX private key to Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.